Welcome back to our Flutter AdMob Mastery course. In this lecture, we are going to implement fixed size banner ads in your Flutter application. Banner ads are the most common art format and excellent starting point for monetizing your app. Today, we will create a reusable banner ad widget that you can easily place anywhere in your app. This approach follows best practices by encapsulating all the ad logic in a single component. We will explore the various banner sizes offered by AdMob and show how to position them effectively throughout your UI. Our AdHelper class from the previous lecture will make this implementation much simpler by handling all the platform-specific Ad Unit IDs for us. Let's dive in. First, let's create a reusable banner ad widget. Component will handle creating, loading, and displaying banner ad. First, create a folder named as services inside lib directory. Services lib directory. Create another folder named add services inside service folder. Add underscore services. Inside add services, create a file named as fixed banner ad widget dot. First, start with stateful widget named as fixed banner ad widget, fixed banner ad widget. Then import material.dart. We define here widget as stateful widget because we need to maintain state for the ad loading process. Next, import Google Mobile Ads package, and here add as a parameter final ad size. The ad size determines the banner ad size. Then here add an optional parameter final widget loading ad widget. Click here to import the parameters. Here the loading ad widget is an optional custom widget to display while the ad is loading. Both the parameters are customizable, making this widget flexible for different use cases throughout your app. In our state class, we declare two important variables, banner ad underscore banner ad. The underscore banner ad will hold the actual banner ad instance. Then create a is load added flag. Here bool is add loaded default false. Is added loaded a boolean flag to track whether the ad has loaded successfully. These variables are essential for managing the ad's lifecycle and determining what to display in our widget. We override in state to create and load our ad soon as the widget is inserted into the tree. This creates we started loading the ad immediately. Here calls custom method to create and load ad. So create and load ad. Now let's examine the core function that creates and loads our banner ad. This function is essential to understand as it handles both creation and event management. So void, copy this one, create and load ad. First we add banner ad instance with for critical parameters equal to banner ad colon size parameter we use widget.addSize which allows customization of the banner ad size when creating our widget. Then add unit ID we calling from AdHelper dot get banner ad unit ID listener configuration. This is where we handle for events. Banner ad listener handle on loaded, on fed to load, on ad opened, then last on ad closed. On ad loaded, here if mounted set state is ad loaded as true. on ad loader. When ad successfully loads, we update the widget state with is loaded as true, but only if the widget is still mounted to prevent memory leaks. We also log response information for debugging. When ad load failed, add.dispose. Add debug print for the status. Similarly, here also add debug print, then here also, and here. Then the request is const or add request. Add request, we create a standard request object. This is where you would add targeting parameters if needed. Finally, we call banner add if not loader. To initiate the add loading process, this sends the request AdMob serves and start the asynchronous loading of the ad content. Notice the use of null assertion operator. It is safe here because we just assign the banner ad variable in the line above. Next is cleanup resource. It's crucial to properly clean up ad resources when the widget is removed. Call dispose method on our banner ad if exists to release its resource. Here banner ad dot dispose. This prevents memory leaks and ensures we are following AdMob's best practices for ad management. Without this cleanup, your app could experience performance issues or even policy violations. Next is building the UI. Finally, in our build method, we handle two states: when the ad is not yet loaded, when the ad is successfully loaded. Here, if is not ad loaded or banner ad equal to null, here return widget dot is loading ad widget, or sized box, its height is widget dot add size dot height dot to double. Then the child is a circular's progress indicator, or we can change with const sender child. I think is linear progress indicator is better. Then the else case, return sized box, width is banner ad dot size dot width dot double. Then height underscore banner ad dot size dot height dot double. Then the child is add widget, add banner ad. In this section, discuss about when ad is not read. This section, when the ad is loaded successfully. Here the ad widget is provided by the Google Mobile Ads SDK and handle the ad rendering. This approach ensures the widget always has the correct dimension whether the ad is loading or displaying, preventing layout jams that could disrupt the user experience. This fixed banner ad widget creates a new ad instance each time you use it, which is the recommended approach for banner ads. This ensures each ad location is managed independently.